Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and is charged. Turn on the Xbox 360 controller and plug or power the Xbox 360 wireless adapter so it can enter pairing mode. That adapter is required because the controller uses a proprietary radio. On the iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, leaving that screen visible so the phone scans continuously. Once done, you're ready to initiate the actual pairing sequence between adapter and controller. You now pair the adapter and controller before the iPhone. Press the wireless adapter's sync button until its LED blinks quickly. This puts it into discovery mode. Then press the controller's guide button and hold the small sync button on the controller until its ring flashes rapidly. This links the controller to the adapter, so the controller communicates with iPhone-compatible input layers. Make sure the adapter's LED and controller light stabilize, and watch the iPhone Bluetooth list for the controller or adapter entry, then select it if required. You'll finish by confirming the controller functions in a game or controller test app. Press buttons and analog sticks to verify mapping. If the iPhone fails to detect the adapter or the controller disconnects, restart both the iPhone and adapter, then repeat the sync steps, and make sure iOS is updated because compatibility depends on software. One key troubleshooting tip: the Xbox 360 controller often needs its specific wireless adapter or third-party firmware support. Ensure you're using a compatible adapter or consider an MFI or Bluetooth native controller if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.